Right. Oh, my bad, my bad. Oh, that's you know. Oh! That was me, though. What? Shit dead. What? Oh, shit. Out of bounds. Go. Get that shit out of here, man.
That's on me.
Hold on, Gasser. You ready to hike and shit? Let me get ready.
We ain't gotta wait for you, nigga. What the fuck? You the DB.
Wait for me, goddamn. Wait for me.
Say, go. Say, go.
Pedal, brake. I'm braking 45 downhill, working 45 downhill. Let's be great, man. Let's be great. What's going on, my boy? No time, no seat, man.
Yes, sir.
Let's get it. Let's get it. Rig, pedal, brake. I go again. Pedal, brake. Rig, pedal, brake. Better. Rig, pedal, brake. Rig, pedal, brake. Yes, sir. That was a way better group. Rig, pedal, wig, settle, drive. Alright. Get it one more time, man. Stop your arm. Stop. Take it tight. Rig, pedal, wig, settle, drive. Rig, pedal, wig, settle, drive. Good. Good. Alright, let's get it. Rig, pedal, wig, settle, drive.
Mama said 2 minutes still, no more crying. I see my man got it. When you on the move, sometimes don't go hurt if you put my name in your rap. Creep to the cage out there. They say I changed that cap.
Rig, pedal, wig, settle, drive. Not bad, go get water. Come back, or I'm gonna say go right now, okay? We either breaking on the comeback or I'm gonna say go on that first one, all right? The next time you're up, we're gonna switch leverage, all right? So we'll work from the outside, and when we work from outside, I'm either gonna give y'all a dig or out. Y'all got me? All right, so the first group, let me get the first group up. Keyword, wide receivers will be DBs next, okay? So wide receivers will be DBs next. So Trigger can get here. Eco, you can get right over there on the cone too. Twin, get on that last cone. Right there, we should be good. You play wide receiver, so go with Twin. Hey, wide receiver, look at me. Ready, go. Good. Ready, go. Not bad.
I got 3 minutes up on the camera. Really just gonna use it for me. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if I'm gonna record any more of my drills or not, but if not, then, you know what I'm saying? Just like, comment, subscribe. Subscribe work all the time. DJ Insane 7, you know what I'm saying? There you go. whatever clips look good, you know what I'm saying, that's what we're gonna use. If not, then I'll total the footage. You know what I'm saying? I just wanted to try something new. You know, why not set the camera and hop in at the same time? Sounds fun, doesn't it? All right, man. Shout around. James saying 7. Like, come subscribe. God bless.